and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Sudoku Band puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts into the tray in such a way that each row and column is going to have one of every color. And there are 5 different colors here: dark, light brown, and orange. And as you can see in this column, there are 3 light colors. This is wrong. And for example, in this row, there are 3 dark colors. This is wrong as well. We have to reorganize them in such a way that each row and column going to have only one color of each. And this puzzle is going to be difficult to solve if you have low light in your room where you solve the puzzle. So a good lighting is essential to solve this puzzle, since if you have a low light, it's going to be quite difficult to see the difference, for example, between brown and orange or brown and light brown colors. So it's better to have a good lit table or room where you're going to solve this puzzle. If you like Sudoku Band puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first of all, I have to remove all parts. And now I will start putting all parts back. So first I grab the piece where there is a dark light and looks like an orange color. I'll put them right here on top. So the next one is going to be the piece that has, I think this one, the orange, the light brown and brown piece. The next one is going to be this part, is brown, dark and orange piece. As you can see, there is no the same colors in a row or in a column right now. So the next one is going to be, I think it's going to be this one, with the light, dark and light brown piece. And the last piece here on the bottom is going to be, I believe it's going to be this part. Let's check if I am right. So this column has white, white and white, one dark part. There is brown part here, there is orange and there is light brown. So everything looks correct right now. Now we move to this part, and this one is going to be a little bit more difficult. So the first piece is going to be this 2-color piece. We're going to put it on the bottom. It's going to be orange and dark color. And in this row, we don't have the same color. Each color is different. So the next one is going to be, I believe it's going to be this piece. We're going to put it right here. The next one is going to be this piece with orange, light color and light brown. We're going to put it right here. And the last one is going to be this 2-color piece, which we're going to put on top like this. And let's check. We have light color in each row and column. We have dark color again in each row and column. We have brown, light brown and orange. Yeah, everything looks perfect, and this is the solution of Sudoku Band puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.